We love heading over to the Great Days Soundstage, and y'all know that on Thursdays, that's what we do around here. And look who's back, ladies and gentlemen. Blackie Starks has returned, and it's really cool having you here a couple times in a week. I love your voice. Your voice is so powerful, and this time you brought all the guys with you, didn't you?
I did. I brought the whole band with me. We're actually kicking off a tour for a couple of weeks, going through 6 states. This is the other band, Maximus, that I started when Isaac James took a break.
Okay.
We're actually doing a show in Perry tomorrow night, Perry Area Event Center. 1126th Street, I think is what it is. And you guys remember Mike and Rich that came in with Isaac James last weekend. Their band Alchemist is actually joining us on the bill tomorrow night. Oh,
that's going to be awesome. But it was really cool. You came in here again before your performance over in Perry, but you're going to Omaha tonight, as you can see by the calendar there, then coming back and performing in Perry tomorrow. So we appreciate you guys being here, man.
Yeah, man.
Now, what you crank out a tune here, then we'll meet the guys in the band. Is that cool?
Yeah, yeah. This is actually our second radio single we put out. It's called Gave You Away.
Your heart is made of stone. Me here all alone. No gift for the prize you have won. Once drawn down and poured up, you think that I want it this way. Give you away. You could be happy again, and you'll find peace in the air. Your eyes, they gave you away. No matter how nice you could be, these things you won't tolerate. Sometimes it's all you can say. Once drowned down a quarter, you think that I want it this way. Give you away, you could be happy again, and you'll find peace in the air. I'll give you away. You could be happy again, and you'll find peace in the air. Give you away. Give you away. You could be happy again, and you'll find peace in the air. Give you away. You could be happy again, and you'll find peace in the air. I'll give you away.
There we go, Maximus. There, folks. They start their tour tonight. They're zipping over to Omaha, then they're doubling back here tomorrow evening. So that's going to be fun. Friday night in Perry. So go on over and check these guys out. And these guys, Blackie Starks, why don't you introduce us to these guys?
To my left, Rich Suman. I've actually known this guy for quite a while. He just kind of worked his way into the band. I don't even know how he got here. Stroke of luck. Mike Peters from Wichita. Actually, we're kind of spread out around Rich and Brandon Orton on bass. Those guys actually live in eastern Iowa.
Okay.
He lives in Wichita, Kansas. Steve Lampley over here. We call him Luscious Lampley for obvious reasons. So, him and I live out in western Kansas, and is another guy I've known for a while. Just kind of assembled some friends and put together the band. So
no, you guys sound great. Again, people dig this kind of music, and they also dig the sound you guys have too. So you guys are doing very well. And again, your tour starts tonight, in Omaha. Then you're coming back tomorrow night in Perry. We appreciate you guys coming over, man. And we need to hear another one as we go to commercial break here. What are we going to hear this time?
This is called Boomstick.
Boomstick. All right, cool. Thanks, man.
Time and I'm feeling fine. I watch the sun go down the line. You can be blind if you want to. You can be blind if you want to. Saturdays come and I'm on the run. I'm not running away. You can come with if you want to. You can come with if you want to. Meet me on the hill with a boomstick, loaded and drop until the knee quit. Meet me on the hill with a boomstick. Think I wanna hear it with a boom click. Don't ask when I'm coming home. 6 guns with, I won't be alone. Let's find a place we can call our own. 6 guns up on the way till the smoke is low. Meet me on the hill with a boomstick, loaded and drop until the knee quick. Meet me on the hill with a boomstick. Think I wanna hear it with a boom click. Meet me on the hill with a boomstick, loaded and drop until the knee quick. Meet me on the hill with a boomstick.